Hi everyone, we're going to be doing another unboxing today, and this time it's Warhammer Quest by Fantasy Flight Games. One small thing about this game is I have to apologize if you're unable to find it anywhere. Unfortunately, Games Workshop and Fantasy Flight Games don't work together anymore, which is why I took the opportunity to grab a copy the moment I found it. I'm going to unbox it for you, and I hope you're able to find one for yourselves as well. Yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait to see what's inside. I'm expecting a whole lot of goodies. Okay, so all Fantasy Flight games come with a catalog. I'm not going to go through that, but if you're wanting to see what other games they have, when you have one, you'll have a list of all of them. Let's see. Okay, so we have a learn to play and we have a rules. I know Fantasy Flight has been separating these two into two different manuals in some of their newer prints. It makes it much easier for referencing as opposed to learning. Have a quick look inside. I can feel the paper is really, really good quality. Beautiful art. It's not a very long manual, it's only 15 pages for learning to play. That's good. The rules reference is where you're expecting the more meaty information. Also only about 15 pages long. I have to admit, I know nothing about this game, so I don't even know what I'm looking at here. A foul stench. These look like quests. Quest 1, Quest 2, Quest 3, all the way through to a Delve quest and Quest 5. Okay, so I'm guessing there's some sort of story. They all have different setups. If you look at the back, they have different setups, different rewards and penalties. So it looks like there's a whole selection of quests that we're going to get to play. That sounds like fun. Tokens, lots of them. Oh, one sheet of tokens, some dice, a thick pack of cards. Let me bring this up closer to you so you can see. That's a lot of cards. We have ghouls, undead, night goblin, archer. So it looks like these are all creatures. Goblin shaman. I love that there's individual artwork on each card. Fantasy Flight games really do pay a lot of attention to quality. Deadly shot. These look like abilities. And then when we get to the little cards, it looks like we have some items. There's a trap, for example, a healing salve. There's a whole load of items. There's events, a lurking fog. I'm guessing these will get drawn as you play. Then, it looks like we have some sort of attributes, bleeding, sickened. These are presumably cards you don't want. Empowered. Weapons. Long sword. It even says melee weapon. Pistols. Wow. Handguns, hand axes, shields, warhammers. A night cloak, armor, a magic scroll, a map, lantern, legendary fortune. I don't know what that is, but I definitely know that I want it. A hammer of faith. I'm guessing these are unique items. Accessories, pendant, a book. Okay. And then, last but not least, looks like we have some dice. Some die. Some black die and some white die. Again, I don't know what these are for. You'll have to watch our how to play, which I will put in the comments once that's been recorded. So have a look below. If it's been recorded, lucky you, you can find out what these dice are all about. At a guess, these black ones look like there's some sort of damage. That looks like a claw mark. And the skull. I'd rather have the claw than the skull, I think. And lastly, it looks like we've got some attack dice. Again, I'm guessing. Guess we'll find out later. All in all, I'm very, very happy with the quality and the sheer amount of things that came in this game. All of the accessories and weapons and armor. I can't wait to dig into this. And that's about it. Okay. Lastly, I'd like to say thank you to Durbanville Games. I got this game off their shelf. That's why you're seeing this unboxing today. Go support them if you're here in Cape Town. There's a link to them in the description. You'll find all of their board games and everything you need to know about them.